It was amazing at Salman sir at the end of the day. It's just so much fun it was to just watch him work on a set. I have not heard screams, whistles, claps that loud in my entire life. I remember my manager literally like having like hand marks on her hand because itna crowd tha.
Oh God.
Hey.
हाय, मेरा नाम है यशी और मिर्ची के स्टूडियोज में आज एक ऐसा टैलेंटेड बंच है और जो हमारे साथ में बातचीत करने वाला है बिकॉज क्लियरली औरों में कहाँ दम था.
That was nice.
Hi Shantanu, hi Sei, how are you?
Very
Hello.
good. How are you?
How's life treating you? What's happening? How hectic it's been? मतलब कितना मजा आ रहा है, कितना मजा नहीं आ रहा है in general?
मजा तो बहुत आ रहा है.
हाँ.
We can't complain. This is something that I guess both of us have dreamed of.
हाँ मतलब मूवी आ रही है और क्या चाहिए.
नहीं बट थोड़ा बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाता है वैसे शांतनु.
नहीं इसी के लिए काम करते हैं.
hectic होने के लिए आए तो I always say it's better to be very very busy than have nothing to do.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. अच्छा, मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल आप लोगों से ये है कि क्योंकि आप यंग तब्बू और यंग अजय देवगन प्ले करने वाले हो मूवी के अंदर, तो कुछ ऐसा मेथड एक्टिंग लेने के लिए क्या उनके साथ में कुछ ऐसा पर्सनल सेशंस हुए थे या फिर आपने उनकी पुरानी मूवीज को देख करके उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज को स्टडी किया एंड यू जस्ट वांटेड टू स्टडी दैट, यू नो, हाउ दे टॉक, हाउ दे वॉक?
हाँ ऐसा नहीं हुआ था.
शांति लाइक बट देन वर यू टोल्ड कि तुमको एकदम अजय देवगन की तरह ही मतलब हाव भाव रखने हैं सो दैट यू नो द ट्रांजिशन इज वेरी स्मूथ एंड इन योर केस ऑल्सो?
नहीं ऐसे बताया तो नहीं गया था वैसे.
नहीं नॉट रियली. मतलब मुझे बस एक सीन के लिए बोला था सर की वॉक कॉपी करो, दैट जेल वाला सीक्वेंस जो है वो
जो ट्रांजिशन है
सीक्वेंस के लिए बोला था. तब्बू मैम का वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन मुझे तो वो आके शी रेड इट फॉर मी एंड देन आई लाइक stored my brain somewhere in my it altered my brain chemistry because I was like this has to be with me forever.
साथ में जैम किया आप लोगों ने अजय सर और तब्बू मैम के साथ में? नहीं बट मतलब
apologies
I love her, she's cracking.
apologies
मेरे जैसे जोक्स क्रैक करेंगे सही अभी यहाँ पे जैम किया था. बट देन साथ में बैठे उनसे कुछ एक्टिंग टिप्स लिया कि कैसे करना है या हाउ?
नॉट रियली एक्चुअली
चांस नहीं मिला.
हाँ मतलब but also it's like director's call to be honest, like to be fair it's Neeraj sir's call कि कैसे how is he imagining, and Tabu ma'am and Ajay sir are also very like director driven actors. You know, so they don't get into that space much. ऐसा हम जितना भी देखा है ऐसा लगा तो नहीं मुझे. So I think it was Neeraj sir's call and conscious decision in terms of understanding कि ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है, हम लोगों को हमारी केमिस्ट्री पे वर्क करना है, ये करना है वो करना है. So that was all the instructions came from that side.
सही. अगर रोमांटिक सीन्स करने होते हैं, यू नो, इंटीमेट सीन्स करने होते हैं तो उस टाइम पे ऑकवर्ड नहीं होता है? मतलब कैसे केमिस्ट्री आप लोग मैनेज करते हैं? लाइक हाउ डू यू मैनेज? लाइक हंसी नहीं आती है सर रोमांटिक डायलॉग बोल के आंखों में आंखें डाल के जब बात करनी होती है?
You started to say.
No, अगर नीरज सर सेट पे ना हो और हम ऐसे ही हंसी मजाक में कर रहे हैं तो बहुत हंसी आएगी. But I think the whole idea that he's there watching you and you've done this in front of him and he expects a certain outcome, just like थोड़ा ऐसे सहम जाती हूँ मैं भी. Because otherwise I'm a very awkward person. Like right now cracking stupid jokes is just my way of like breaking this awkwardness. Yeah.
डिफेंस. नीरज सर एज अ डायरेक्टर कैसे हैं?
बहुत बेहतरीन. उनके काम से हमको समझ में आ सकता है, देख सकता है. बहुत डिसिप्लिन्ड है. आई थिंक ही इज क्लियर विथ हिज थॉट्स हाउ ही वांट्स हमारा परफॉर्मेंस कैसा होना चाहिए, हर एक कैरेक्टर कैसा होना चाहिए, कैसा ग्राफ है उसका क्या नहीं है. एंड एट द सेम टाइम लाइक कभी मैंने उनको कभी टेंशन लेते हुए नहीं देखा किसी चीज़ को. लाइक एक बार मैंने एक्चुअली पूछा भी था सर से, सर आपको टेंशन नहीं हो रहा है? लाइक यू रिमेंबर दैट होली का सीक्वेंस एंड देन आई हैड लाइक अनदर सीन टू शूट. We both had so we had to, so उसमें बहुत टाइम लग गया because set पूरा एकदम भीगा हुआ था. then you had to like एकदम पूरा हटाना था, ड्राई करना था. तो वो उन्होंने एस्टिमेटेड टाइम रखा था because they had idea about it, but वो नहीं हो पाया. so ऐसा था कि मतलब बहुत टाइम लग रहा है. हम लोग को सीन वो खत्म करना था उस दिन. that was like the
last day.
हाँ. so sir was like, मैंने सर को, सर आपको टेंशन नहीं हो रहा है कि Can you do anything about
अच्छा,
it?
कोई ऐसी
No, so they just live with it. So yeah, I mean they are trying to do it.
प्यारी सी अनोइंग सी चीज़ जो कि नीरज सर की आपको लगी हो कि यू नो व्हेन ही वाज ट्राइंग टू टीच यू समथिंग, वो होता है ना कि समटाइम्स यू गेट इरिटेटेड विद योर पेरेंट्स आल्सो बट देन यू नो दैट दे नो वो अच्छे के लिए बोल रहे हैं.
I don't know, in his case ऐसा कुछ आया नहीं, मतलब genuinely ऐसा कुछ आया
Because
नहीं.
he'll only tell you what you needed to know. ऐसे parents कैसे बहुत knowledge, examples,
हाँ.
this one is doing that one is doing that. That's why sometimes you get annoyed at them. But with Neeraj, so he just gives you what you need.
Yeah, and then he will ask you the questions.
Yeah.
So he'll never judge, as in he will never say any kind of judgment, but he like, what did you feel? Sahi, what did you feel? Where did you
that's
get?
damn, when he asked that, it's damn
Shantanu, where
scary.
did you? हाँ.
Because I feel like मैंने गलत आंसर दे दिया ना तो बेइज्जती.
क्योंकि आप दोनों डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड से हो, बट देन यू नो एक मिसकंसेप्शन होता है दिमाग में सही आपके लिए कि आपने फिल्म्स बनते हुए देखी हैं, एंड देन शांतनु यू हैव डन लॉट ऑफ रियलिटी शोज, बट एक किसी आई मीन या लाइक यू डन रियलिटी शोज एंड बट एक चीज़ जो आप दोनों में कॉमन है व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्ट्रगल्स, लाइक बिकॉज आई एम श्योर कि सबको अपना एक मार्क बनाने के लिए इंडस्ट्री में, वो चाहे आप थोड़े प्रिविलेज्ड बैकग्राउंड से हो या फिर यू नो यू ट्राइंग टू मेक समथिंग इन द इंडस्ट्री, वो एक कॉमन स्ट्रगल आप दोनों क्या शेयर करते हो एक दूसरे के साथ में?
I feel like the struggle for every actor is the same, because same race में दौड़ रहे हो सब. So the struggle is basically just to be the best version of yourself and kind of be better than everyone else. Technically that's what you want to do.
I think getting the right characters which you want
That's
to.
how you will be better.
Yeah. हाँ,
And
वैसे
with
हाँ.
every project. No, I'm not talking.
कैसे कैरेक्टर्स को मना करते हो जब आपको पता है कि ये जो नरेशन हो रहा है वो इट्स नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी और मे बी आई वोंट बी एबल टू डू इट?
It's not about saying कि I won't be able to do it. I think it's about कि ये कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. मतलब ये जो लिखा हुआ है वो या तो कन्वर्ट होने नहीं वाला है, या तो आपको मतलब सेटअप पे भरोसा नहीं आता है, या तो आपको डायरेक्टर पे भरोसा नहीं आता है, या फिर लाइक एक ट्यूनिंग होती है विच हम आपसे भी मिल रहे हैं तो एक ट्यूनिंग बैठती है, राइट? आई मीन यू गेट द वाइब राइट.
हाउ डू यू से नो नाइसली?
You don't say no nice.
हाँ,
Someone else says it for
thankfully,
you.
yeah, we have a management team which has to do that. Like कोई मुंह पे नहीं बोलता है ऐसे, नहीं वो हमको नहीं रिजेक्शन मुंह पे मिलता है, नहीं उनको रिजेक्शन मुंह पे मिलता है. It's like a process, you know. You have phone calls and text messages via team that happens.
And then you get a call saying, "Beta, sorry, next time."
Tell us about your first audition, like both of you, when you guys started. Like, is it आपके साथ में भी ऐसा हुआ है कि जो हम लोग videos देखते हैं कि hi, my name is Sahi,
Yeah,
these are
both
my
किया है.
profiles.
Obviously.
हाँ. Tell us about your first audition and
Have you
first
given something like that?
rejection.
Yeah, you have.
Yeah, Manje, what is what is it? I'm living. I'm
नहीं
going through
मतलब
life.
I thought like shortlisted
Yeah.
auditions are different than ये
Going and
pamphlet-
showing
pamphlets.
profiles and giving your introduction.
Pamphlet I've not held.
Pamphlet
I've
was
said
not-
my name,
हाँ.
but I've not like held.
Here are my dates. Shoot dates available. Yes, tentative. ऐसा phone number ये call my agent.
No. So whenever I've given an audition, it's been through my management and casting
हाँ वही
agency.
that's what I'm saying.
हाँ.
So then probably what my first audition I remember was I think it was for a film. I'm not gonna name the film. Very like reputed film, reputed director, and he wanted to see a good audition, and I'd given it, and I was very impressed with myself. I was like, I killed it. And then I asked them, "मेरे को tape भेजो, मुझे I want to show my parents or whatever, because I'm also an idiot." They sent it, and I was like, "Chhi." I literally looked at it and I was like, yuck, what have I done? That's when I realized that I'm really bad under pressure. Like when there's no one in the room and there's only one camera on me, I get very scared. So I had to really it was a whole process of me finding that out, and it came as a revelation to me, and I was like, I thought I was a little bit better than this, but I don't know. That was my first audition experience. But the first test I gave was for Dabang. But it was like more of a look test and a scene test, and it was on the camera. So two very different experiences.
सलमान खान के साथ में काम करके आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
She doesn't like that shit.
अरे कहाँ से आ रहा है that shit? कब से everyone is doing that in front of me. I've not watched the show yet.
You have to see.
I'm going tonight. I'm gonna go watch it.
You have to.
But how was
First
the
order of
experience? Like
business.
how was working with him? Because obviously, like he's the Mughal Prince of Bollywood. So, I don't call him Bhai. I call him Mughal Prince of Bollywood. So yeah.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was amazing. It's Salman sir at the end of the day. It's just so much fun. It was to just watch him work on a set. Because like you'd always thought when I was a kid, I was like, kaise honge set pe? Because I've only seen my dad working on a set maybe. It's been a very different process in general. So it was so much fun. It was such a great learning experience. And for my first, I'm really glad that I got to do it with Salman sir because I've known him for so long. It can be a little scary when you crack your first to be like with an unknown group of people. But the fact that he was there and he really go out of his way to take care of me. So I'm very grateful to him and it's been the best experience ever.
शांतनु की ये बात सही है कि मेरी जान की कोरियोग्राफी वाज वेरी स्पॉन्टेनियस. यू एंड आलिया वर सॉर्ट ऑफ इन सिंक कि चलो ठीक है ये करना है. What was it choreographed? Because we've heard that it was not choreographed. You guys were just following.
Yeah, at one point of time, Kruti, who was the choreographer, Alia was there, as in थोड़े पीछे बैठी थी. Kruti was there, I was there, and sir was sitting here, like ऐसे सोफे पे हम लोग बैठे थे, and music चलाया सर ने, and then he just started with ऐसा, go for it, इसके पास जाओ, remove her shoes, you flick it, like it was like that, like Hollywood में कैसे देखते हैं ना, so you think you can dance में, like Mia Michael's going wait and kick and stop and turn and look, वैसा चल रहा था. So it was lovely, that whole process was lovely. ऐसा नहीं spontaneous नहीं बोलूँगा, I mean you had changes and everything, it was a bit choreographed, but it had to look like कुछ चीजें बीट्स पे जानी चाहिए थी, अदरवाइज इसका मजा नहीं है.
हाँ, मतलब
एक रिदम आता है उससे, बट ही केप्ट ऑन एनहांसिंग टिल द एंड. You know, it was not something कि हमने fix कर दिया और अब कुछ changes होंगे ही नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But yeah, I mean, yeah.
How is Sanjay sir as a director?
Lovely. Lovely. I mean,
no, but then, like, you know, आप दो different directors के साथ में भी काम कर रहे हो, नीरज सर एंड संजय सर. तो like अगर differentiate करना है in terms of, क्योंकि हर एक इंसान का एक अलग तरीका होता है काम करने का, तो like we want to know that, you know, if you have to like
it's very hard to describe.
Sort of choose.
No, I will never choose because they both have great power of storytelling and in a very different manner. Because stories are very different as compared to.
He lets you be, or he's like you have to do. I have a certain vision. तो तुम्हें ये काम करना.
All great directors have certain vision. They will give you your space, but you have to fall in their वो alley बोलते हैं ना of their imagination of the character. So you have to come there. वो आपको गाइड करेंगे पूरे टाइम अगर आप ड्रिफ्ट हो रहे हो तो. But all great directors do know what their characters should look like, you know, feel like. But आपको creative liberty देते नहीं, तो collaboration का मतलब क्या होता है? So sir ने भी मुझे ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसे ही बोल ये कर. He never said that. They will always explain what the character is thinking, how he's thinking, and what he wants. His idea is. So yeah, I mean,
so that part पड़ती थी आपको अगर आप उनके अकॉर्डिंग जो वो चाह रहे थे उस टाइम पे वो नहीं हो पा रहा था तो
कुछ नहीं. सर भी फ्रस्ट्रेट होते थे कि अरे यार, but he was very patient with me. Like I remember one shot I took a lot of takes. पता नहीं, I was just not getting the rhythm right, and but then last में he was like, we got it. So yeah, so
डांसिंग कैसे हेल्प करती है एक्टिंग में, बिकॉज आप दोनों ट्रेन्ड डांसर्स हो.
मैं ट्रेन नहीं हूँ डांसर.
मतलब yeah, you're good dancers. is
नहीं, but that's a very different thing when you say trained dancer and self-taught.
Like you're good dancers, but then ऐसा होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं that also helps you out to take out that emotion, because ऐसा भी हुआ है कि जो अच्छे डांसर्स होते हैं अच्छे एक्टर्स भी नहीं होते हैं कई बार. So what do you have to say?
Really try to attack people and then नहीं करती.
I'm not. Yeah. So like, has dancing also helped you to understand acting as a craft?
No, for me, though, it was very basic. I was very shy. I wouldn't dance in front of people. I would refuse. I was like, over my dead body, I'm going to dance. Itna, I was like, I just refused as a child. Like, till I was 15 years old. मैं करती ही नहीं थी. I was like, तुम लोग कुछ भी करो, मैं इतना robot dance करूँगी. I will do my Shinchan and I will leave. So I think... कहाँ dance करूँगी? No, but I feel like the only...
But you know ना, Sai, that आपके लिए internet पे ये चीज़ लिखी हुई है that you are a trained dancer.
But I'm not a trained dancer.
Like, it's there on the internet. हाँ.
Trained in what? Like in what?
Classical. I don't know.
I've done Kathak since I was
7. I'm not a trained dancer, but मैंने कथक सीखा है. कैसे? So then our information is not wrong, ना.
कभी घमंड नहीं किया उसका. और नहीं कभी mention करना चाहूँगी. It's like.
Yeah, because then people ask me to dance and I just don't. Like even in Kathak class, it used to be just me and a bunch of my friends. And the teacher, we used to go in Mahim, there was this class, and we used to have the best time. We used to come back and किसी को नहीं दिखाते थे. No parents have seen out because you're all shy kids. So they sent us there and we started enjoying it. But we never showed it to anyone. So I think the way it helped me was later on in life when I had to kind of open up and, do it. It really helped me overcome that inhibition of being shy in front of people in general. So in school we had a thing called
But ये
Spring
acting
Fest.
में आपको help किया because you are a
100% it opened me up a little more because I'm a very shy person otherwise. मैं करके बैठ जाऊंगी.
Shantanu, you
To me, I think acting also has a process of finding the right rhythm. I think, and dance really teaches you that. So that rhythm जो sense होता है, beat लेना, कब चाहिए, कब नहीं चाहिए, कब आपको एक flow में बोलना है चीज़ें, that is something that I've learned a lot from dance. And in general, एक confidence when the song is on. I mean, I have a different. It is there. It just came naturally to me. I don't know, but when song is there, it kind of gives you some kind of confidence. Like when she said कि हम लोग को अपने group में shy people लोगों को really helped us uplift. It happened to me also. कि dance really helped me to liberate kind of liberating feeling होती है ना वैसी वाली.
कोई ऐसा एक मेजर सीन इस मूवी से जिसको करके यू आर रियली वेरी प्राउड ऑफ एंड यू वर लाइक आई हैव पुश्ड माय सेल्फ एज एन एक्टर.
So I mean, there's a scene which we can't really say
Last
much
scene.
about. See, to be honest, the entire movie,
Yeah.
because we haven't seen
Yeah.
any of the shots that
Yeah,
we
so
have
we
given.
can't actually decide yet.
Which one,
No, but then while
it just
performing,
felt
yeah.
it just felt right. A lot of places, even that this scene where I say हमने find out किया था, that
was
try
also
किया था,
very
it was a very natural flow. So I think as actors,
And
as
that was the
artists,
one day when Neeraj was like, क्या खा के आया यार? And I was like, ah.
yeah, so like when there is flow where you don't feel कि आप effort लगा रहे हो, any kind of you're trying too hard or anything. So there were few days like that, and the particular scene that we are talking about is something we can't really talk about it much, but yeah, it comes in the later half of the film where we just felt that we had done a lot of workshops to get that tone right for that particular scene.
Is it the scene where I got yelled at? Like,
Yeah,
not yelled at.
not
but
yelled
like,
at, but yeah, मतलब
Oh, beta.
sweater
बातें
pen.
बाद में.
So yeah, I think that was very important scene for the film, and we had to get few beats, few things right. So yeah, I mean that was
मतलब
something.
बहुत सारी प्रेप हुई है इस मूवी के
हाँ,
दौरान
absolutely,
एंड
बहुत.
वर्कशॉप्स हुई
Yeah.
हैं टू गेट इनटू द कैरेक्टर
Rigorous,
Yeah.
yeah.
क्योंकि साई आप तेलुगु मूवीज भी करते हो तो ये स्विच कहाँ से आता है जो ऑन ऑफ हो जाता है?
मैं भी पूछता हूँ इससे
हाँ,
कैसे कर
ये
दी
कैसे
ये?
होता है?
It's not on off.
Like I saw one of your scenes and I was like, अरे दबंग में ये लड़की और अब ये लड़की, ये क्या हो रहा है?
Which movie did you watch?
I think I saw some of your trailer which I don't remember the actor but it's been quite long because
Major.
हाँ बहुत टाइम हो चुका है but then दबंग 3 के बाद में I was very curious to see that oh I want to see her work and then I was like अरे ये switch कहाँ से बन
Major
जाएगा?
Villain South का dubbing also.
Yeah.
You have done.
Yeah,
Whoa.
yeah.
I just thought that Hindi part too. Oh, that's amazing.
I don't say that much because it took 100 days
But
to
that's
get the
fine.
Telugu part right.
That's fine. Nobody needs to know that also.
I don't know why I said it then.
3
Because
घंटे के
no, the
movie.
accent has to be right.
Yeah,
no, I
yeah.
can't.
Exactly and it's very difficult मतलब हमारा तो
It's tiring for you also to give 100 days for the dubbing, right? So I mean,
I love dubbing in general.
Yeah?
I love. just
sorry,
like-
we are drifting away from her question.
sorry.
हाँ,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
so like वो switch कहाँ से आता है ना? How do you prep yourself for that?
I don't think it's a switch. Like I'm shooting another film right now that's being shot in Hindi and Telugu simultaneously. And it's just, they say, okay, Hindi cut, okay, cool. Telugu cut, okay, cool. Like, it's just like that. It's not a switch. You don't, but once, एक बार Telugu lines रट्टा हो गई और accent आ गया. I get the Telugu lines about 15 days prior.
हाँ.
I learn them fully. नींद से उठा के मुझे पूछ लो मैं बता दूंगी आपको. Like,
Studies में कैसे थे आप सही?
बहुत
very good.
तभी
बहुत चीज
तभी
I mean, like, book smart, teach us pet, everything.
been there, done.
First venture.
So you
So it's not like a conscious decision. I just learn it. And then the good part is because we're shooting Hindi and Telugu together, I know exactly what it means.
हाँ तो मतलब ये पता रहता है but then there's someone to like tell you also कि
Yeah,
अच्छा
of
ये
course,
से
of course.
line
Yeah,
है
yeah, yeah.
शांतनु आप करोगे कभी bilingual movies?
मैंने एक सॉन्ग किया मेरी हालत खराब हो गई थी.
कौन सा?
It has not released yet.
Okay, then don't say.
So yeah,
Tell
I
me
mean,
later.
But then if you have to go for a full,
Why not? I mean, it's an experience. It's a challenging experience. If the makers are ready to invest that much time and energy, I would love to explore that. Like I recently have done a Bengali film. I'm not very fluent in speaking in Bengali, but I understand Bengali. So ये तो मतलब ये fully alien language है, so that's a very difficult thing to do. But that was for me. That was also very challenging because. मेरे बहुत सारे pronunciations गलत थे, which I didn't know, but you get to learn, and then obviously because regional रहता है तो आप dubbing में भी सुधार लेते हो, but I would love to explore, yeah. I mean,
कोई ऐसा weird fan encounter दोनों का जो कि चलो ठीक है cute बोल देती हूँ मैं,
weird नहीं, weird हुआ है मेरे साथ recently.
चलो thank God.
हाँ, I was watching film, basically gone for a film, and I went to the loo to use it, and then
No.
Just stand.
No.
Oh God.
Hey.
No. That's the worst. No.
And I'm like.
लड़का है या लड़की?
लड़का नहीं.
लड़की थोड़ी आई.
कुछ पता नहीं, शांतनु को देख करके अंदर घुस गई, मैं ऑटोग्राफ लेके आती हूँ.
And there's a silence. I'm like, what? How are you, brother? I'm like, under pressure.
Oh God.
So like. Can we click picture? I said, let me finish my job.
अभी तुम यही क्लिक करोगे
That
क्या?
was very weird, very
God.
weird. And then when we came out, and he was like, अपने friends को बोल रहा है कि हाँ, he's ready to click picture. And then it was like कि हम picture खींच रहे हैं, like, sir. And I'm like, what? Say something. Yeah, but don't say something.
You all share an intimate moment, guys. Now you can't.
It's like you had your moment.
It was so weird. I was like,
Yeah.
उसके तो वायलिन बज रहे होंगे बैकग्राउंड में तुमको देख के,
swelling,
तुम्हें जो मैंने देखा ऐसा वाला फीलिंग आ रहा होगा. अच्छा, weirdest पहले साई आपसे पूछेंगे, फिर उसके बाद में weirdest DMs which you have received. You tell us first your weirdest fan encounter.
I don't know if this is weird or not. So I was at a restaurant and someone came up to me like, "Oh my God, the girl. Oh my God, hi, how have you been?" तो मेरे को I didn't know her. So I was like, okay, maybe I know her and maybe I've forgotten. So I got up, I gave her a hug. She sat down there. ऐसे हाँ बैठ गई और मैं like 3 friends and बैठ गई and बात करिए she's telling me about what are you doing now, she's asking me
I'm imagining because she's very welcoming that way, so she must be under deep down guilty कौन है ये याद कैसे नहीं आ रही है,
I can't even ask her her name, so I was like whatever, and in the end she's getting up and going, so I had to ask her. I was like, where have we met before? I'm sorry I can't place you. She's like, we've not met before, I just know you. And I was like, huh? She's looked for half an hour, thinking I am the bad person because I don't recognize you. So
ये बेस्ट चीज हुई है आज, मतलब आराम से आई लड़की, खाना वाना खा के गई.
had weird encounters in South, yeah.
हाँ,
वो तो
South
भाई
fanatism next level होता है.
वो तो they're not weird, but it was
Not
actually
weird.
No,
I'm like,
not weird, but
fanatism is
yeah,
next
yeah.
level.
took me aback
Yeah.
because I've not seen anything like that. Like, I remember Major's premiere, we'd gone to Vizag for a screening, and I have not heard screams, whistles, claps that loud in my entire life. And we were trying to get out, and there was like a whole crowd coming to like just gather around. I remember my manager literally like having like hand marks on her hand because itna crowd tha. Like it was crazy, but it was also a great experience because I don't know, because you've lived in Bombay most of your life, and Bombay people don't give that much.
Yeah.
यहाँ
Like
पे
they
ऐसा
don't.
फीलिंग आती होगी ना कभी कभी, ऐसे घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर
हाँ,
टाइप्स हो
I
जाता
mean,
है.
Because you
Like
get
you're
to
doing
see
wonders
certain
in your life,
events,
but
yeah,
then,
you
yeah.
get to see a lot of people here and there.
Yeah,
So by
because
default,
people will
it's
come be like, hey, what's up? And I'm just like, ah, cool, like nice. But that's a different kind of like love that you experience, and it's really fun. Like people think it's too much and it's scary, but it's actually really not, because
yeah.
that's what you're doing for.
And this, actually, you're living for that moment
Yeah.
that people should come and ask for a picture.
Yeah.
And so we have this game called This and That.
Okay.
And हम चलेंगे one by one. And then
कहाँ जाना है?
नहीं एक दूसरे के पास में हम चलेंगे one by one. So उसके बाद में हम वॉशरूम की तरफ चलेंगे और फिर मैं रोहित को अंदर भेजूंगी, शांतनु को हाय.
Oh my god.
Okay, so This and That, we'll start with you.
okay.
Deepika Padukone और प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
This or
This or that? I mean,
That.
choose one. Yeah.
that.
I
Choose.
choose-
Choose. Wow, Shanti, so smart.
Chopra.
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan.
This or that.
Oh, me asking. Oh,
Yeah.
Salman sir.
हाँ,
I
एक
love
एक कर.
Shah Rukh sir, but Salman sir was my mentor. He gave me my first break. I mean,
Hands down.
hands down.
हाँ. Romantic comedy or action thriller?
Depends on the script actually. To be, yeah, well, really honest, but yeah, romantic comedy because उसमें आ ही जाता है fighting sequence.
फाइटिंग से मैं हीरोइन को बचाऊंगा.
कुछ तो रहेगा.
ड्रामा और म्यूजिकल.
Musical, because Auro में कहा दम था as a musical.
Drama also.
दिलवाले.
Drama, yeah, it's into drama.
तो म्यूजिकल और ड्रामा.
Musical drama.
म्यूजिकल.
Musical drama.
वाह वाह वाह. दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे और कभी खुशी कभी गम. There's this inside joke which I can sense, yeah. There's this inside joke which is not going to come outside.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नहीं, थोड़ा
कभी
बहुत
खुशी
भी नहीं.
कभी गम.
हमें भी खिलाओ, हमें भी हंसाओ साथ में.
कभी खुशी कभी गम. Which is yours?
No, it's. I have a question for her.
अच्छा,
हाँ,
sorry, हाँ,
शोले और मुगले आजम.
Surely,
थोड़ा बहुत तो spot पे.
surely.
Okay. करण जौहर और संजय लीला बंसाली.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Karan Johar both are good, but Sanjay Leela
Chandru,
Bhansali has
this is
been-
this or that, and it's not. No
I
one's
don't
putting a gun.
want to, like it's. I've worked with Karan sir also, so I
yeah.
mean I would not say, but first break has been given by Sanjay sir, so definitely Sanjay sir.
Okay. जोया अख्तर एंड और अनुराग कश्यप.
I love Zoya Akhtar films. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, गाली बॉय, दिल धड़कने दो, लव बाय चांस.
क्लियरली. चलो ठीक है.
Obsessed.
ओके. आइटम सॉन्ग्स और रोमांटिक डुएट्स.
Romantic duets.
ट्रेडिशनल डांस और मॉडर्न डांस.
Traditional dance.
AR रहमान और शंकर एहसान लॉय.
Yeah, Rahman.
Okay, this is a very tricky question and this is for both of you. रणवीर सिंह and दीपिका पादुकोण और आलिया भट्ट and रणबीर कपूर.
Alia Bhatt, Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah, same.
चलो यहाँ पे तो मांडवली हो गई. कुछ मिला ही नहीं. Thank you so much guys for
Thank
being
you,
here
thank
and your fans and मिर्ची के listeners and the audience want to know कि आप क्या कहना चाहोगे, क्या अपनी तरफ से मैसेज देना चाहोगे. So yeah.
All the Mirchi के listeners, बहुत तड़के वाली मूवी आ रही है औरों में कहाँ दम था on 5th of July and
I'm passing the baton to me.
yeah.
हम बहुत excited है इसके लिए. It's a musical drama, romance, love story, which is something that I've been waiting for to watch on a big screen, and I'm sure that you have too. So please go to your nearest theaters on the 5th of July and give it lots of love.